Don't let the name spook you. This snack is a perfect kid-friendly Halloween treat. You need red candy melts, popcorn, and vegetable oil. Start by melting the candy. You can add a little bit of vegetable oil to smooth it out. Pop the popcorn as directed. Line a bowl with parchment paper. Drizzle the red candy all over the popcorn and stir. Freeze the popcorn for about 20 minutes. Serve in your favorite dish and this snack is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.